Hello, and welcome to the HouseRater software training series. In this video, we will be learning about product libraries accessible within HouseRater. When working within HouseRater, you will have access to a robust set of library items that will assist you when filling out a home's building plan. This library will help you auto-populate key information such as a building's envelope structures, its mechanical systems, in addition to its lighting and appliance information. Furthermore, if you need to create a new library item for your company, please watch our training video on adding custom libraries. There are two ways to access your building plan library items, either through editing your takeoff data or when creating and editing an inspection. Whichever way you choose, all of your home's plan data will be saved in a single repository and accessible at any time. For our lesson on using libraries, we will be demonstrating how to input a custom heating system through an inspection. Let's get ready to begin. Starting from the Houses tab in the HouseRater navigation bar, you will first select the home you plan to work with. From the overview page, you can scroll down and select Edit Takeoff Data, or you can continue to Inspections. Both ways will allow you to add library information to the builder plan. In this example, we will start from a site inspection where we will be adding heating system information. Now that we are in the inspection overview, we will select Mechanicals, and multiple new tabs will appear below. In our case, we will be selecting Add Heating System. Our next step will be to search the library type for the heating system that will be put in this house. Since we created a custom carrier furnace library in our previous video, we will search and select the carrier furnace. The heating system's information has auto-populated and can be saved by clicking the Save icon at the top of your screen. Great job! We've now successfully added a custom library item to this home for future inspections or future plan takeoffs. Congratulations! You are now ready to begin adding product library items to your homes. Thank you for choosing HouseRater.